Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades, and I want to show you this fantastic members trade of the week. So here's a screenshot from Langford from Anguilla. He made $593 trading the U.S. jobs report with bonds. We made about $405 on the trade, so way to go, Langford. Nice trade. But let me show you Doc's trade from the villages in Florida. Now, Doc is trading this in his prop account, so you can trade news in a prop account. He's trading the euro on the right. Right now, he's over $500 profitable. He's trading gold on the left, and he's $300 profitable. 310 was his gold trade. His euro trade just finished $800 profit. So he had 800 on his euro and 310 on his gold trade. Great trading by Doc in Florida in the villages, and you see Doc sends his videos all the time. He's doing really well in his prop accounts, and thanks so much, Doc, for sending us the videos. Anguilla and Langford M from Anguilla, thanks for sending us your screenshot. Langford is always sending his shots as well. Let me show that to you once more, because anytime somebody takes the time to make the screenshot for us, we really appreciate it. So everybody, you want to learn how to do this, read your email. There's a link in the email to join with us. Crazy if you don't do it. We're having great trades. Look, we started the week with a lousy trade, consumer confidence, and we ended the week with a blast. So that's the way to do it. You got to keep trading. The trades are good. The system works. Thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you next week in the trade room. Take care.